when I came to the district, and even prior to me coming to the 3rd District, Corporal Dodson was assuming the role of a sergeant, of a supervisor in this district. There's some would argue that the sergeant's role in the Montgomery County Police Department is probably one of the most important roles that our department has, because of the hands-on relationship with the officers that are running the calls. And what Joe Dodson has displayed to me is his ability to supervise these younger officers, but the respect that he has for his guys and gals that work for him just really is just above anything that I've seen from a lot of supervisors in the district. And the way that he has taken on this new role has really made an effect and an impact on the entire district, and made it just a better place for people to interact on the shift, and engage the community and do a really good job working. His overall supervision of his shift just speaks volumes of the amount of good work that they do in the district, and I just want to thank him for that.